Hey guys, welcome to my channel. 10% azelaic acid. Yeah, today we are talking about 10% azelaic acid. Okay, so if you are watching this video, you want to know more about azelaic acid, or you want to know about this particular type of azelaic acid I am using, watch this video to the end. Okay, so in today's video, I am giving my review on this 10% azelaic acid. This is the Skeenpoint 10% Azelaic Acid Serum. Yeah, this particular serum. So I recently added this to my routine, and the best thing that happened, I'll be giving my review on it. Azelaic acid generally helps to treat acne, fade your dark spots, reduce irritation, redness on your face, and also clear your blemishes. Azelaic acid is very important. It is something you should have in your routine if you don't have it already. Okay, so azelaic acid helps fight the acne causing bacteria on your face. Okay, it helps fade dark spots by reducing excessive melanin production. Okay, so when you start using azelaic acid, you're going to notice that your dark spots are going to fade. The dark spots are going to fade very well. Azelaic acid helps to unclog your pores and gently exfoliate your face. When you start using azelaic acid, you will notice a more smoother face. That is what comes with azelaic acid. You will notice a very smoother face. It's going to help to clear your post-acne marks. Okay, it's going to help to fade your post-acne marks, your uneven skin tone. If you also have hyperpigmentation on your face, azelaic acid is going to help remove that because it brightens the face very much. So this is the azelaic acid I am talking about in this video. I have been using this particular azelaic acid. Okay, so this is the 10% azelaic acid serum from Skeenpoint. Okay, so yeah, Skeenpoint is a brand that has been producing brightening serum, brightening body oil, and I came across their 10% azelaic acid and I decided to try it on my skin. On the body here, it says lightens acne scars and melasma, even skin tone, improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation, and at the back it says Skeenpoint Azelaic acid solution for the face. Azelaic acid works effectively by eliminating acne-causing bacteria. I said that right? Acne-causing bacteria in the skin pores, which leads to reducing the appearance of skin imperfections and refining the surface layers of the skin. Okay, so guys, I started using this, and when I tell you, this actually transformed my face. This is my first time using a serum from Skeenpoint, and when I say I'm very impressed, this literally improved my face very much. Okay, azelaic acid is that ingredient you need in your routine. I know we've been talking about niacinamide being the goat of all time, being the goat of all ingredients because it actually works well with other ingredients, but azelaic acid is what you need to have in your routine if you have an acne prone skin, oily skin, sensitive skin. Add azelaic acid to your routine. It might not necessarily be this particular Skeenpoint, but this is the one that I'm using currently. It might not actually be this, but generally you need an azelaic acid in your routine. If you have acne prone skin, get this. Okay, so this particular serum is what I'm using. It contains 10% azelaic acid, and azelaic acid is going to help treat your acne. When you start using azelaic acid, you're going to notice a smoother skin. Yes, because it gently exfoliates your face. You're going to notice that your dark spots are fading. Yes, so this particular Skeenpoint I started using, I added it to my routine, and when I tell you guys, it improved my dark spots. I do have dark spots some parts of my face, and when I tell you, this actually helped my dark spots fade and it brightened my face. If you have hyperpigmentation on your face, that's like some parts of your face are dark while the other parts are like brighter, then you need to add azelaic acid to your routine. This actually brightened my face. Okay, so I have hyperpigmentations in these areas of my face. Okay, so around these areas of my face I have hyperpigmentation. So when I'm using this, I apply it on those areas of my face. Okay, and when I tell you my face is brightening up, when you're using this, avoid your T zones. Okay, so yeah, one thing I noticed about using this is that it actually hot my T-zones hair, so I stopped applying it there because obviously that place is not even dark, there's no pimple there. So I apply it on the areas I need it. Okay, like I have dark spots here, I have uneven skin tone here. So I just apply it where I need them, then gently massage it into my skin. So you need to add azelaic acid into your routine, and this is gonna help transform your face to what you need it to be like. Okay, it's gonna help tighten your pores, so your pores are not gonna be so visible. It's gonna help to brighten your face and smoothen your face, and also fade your dark spots and brighten your face very, very well. Okay, so this Skeenpoint Azelaic Acid actually works. Yes, it works. I've been using this, and this has replaced a lot of other serums for me. Okay, I use this and I'm so impressed because I got this without any recommendation. I just said, okay, let me try this. It contains 7% azelaic acid. Let me try this brand. Okay, so yeah, and I would say that this Skeenpoint actually worked. It did the work for me, guys. So directions on how to use this. For a start, I don't advise you to use it every single day. If you are new to azelaic acid, like me, when I started azelaic acid, I started as a beginner. Okay, so that my face, until my face was able to get used to it. So start it as a beginner. Okay, so start it as a beginner. Use it only at night. Whenever I'm using a new product that I don't know how it's going to react, I use it at night because of sun exposure, and also when my skin is relaxed and I'm sleeping, so I could just penetrate in and do the work, no stress. So I always like introducing a product in the night in my nighttime routine. So use it at night and don't use it every single day. If you are new to azelaic acid, if you know you want to add azelaic acid to your routine, don't use it every single day for beginning. For at least for like 2 weeks you're using it. Use this 2 times in a week if you're adding it to your routine. Use it 2 times in a week. Don't use it every single day as a beginner. If you know you want to start using azelaic acid, use it 2 times in a week as a beginner. Maybe after like 2 weeks of using it 2 times in a week, you can now add it however you want to use, maybe once daily. Okay, you can use once daily, but as a beginner you want to start with azelaic acid. This is 10% azelaic acid. Start with it slowly, inculcate it into your routine. Okay, because it's going to disrupt your skin barrier if you just force it into your skin like that. Okay, it's going to compromise your skin barrier, and you're going to start noticing that your skin will start hurting you, burning you. That is how to know your skin barrier is getting compromised. When you start applying product on your skin and it's hurting you, just know that your skin is already clean and getting compromised, like it's hurting. Okay, this particular Skeenpoint azelaic acid is very, very nice, guys. I'm so impressed with this brand because this is the first serum I am ever using from Skeenpoint, and when I tell you I am impressed, it actually brightened my face, actually lightened my dark spots, and helped to fade my dark spots and improve the overall texture of my skin. This is perfect for acne prone skin, sensitive skin. Okay, if you have acne prone skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, you can use this. Okay, if you are a dry skin, you can actually also use this, but just that azelaic acid can actually be drying on the face, so you go in with your moisturizer, heavy on your moisturizer. Okay, so I don't discomfort you, but overall azelaic acid should be in your routine, girl. Have azelaic acid in your routine. It's going to, even if you don't have dark spots, it's going to improve the texture of your skin. It's going to smoothen out your skin, and it's going to minimize your pores and feed your hyperpigmentation. While using azelaic acid, you're going to notice a smoother skin. Okay, yeah, this azelaic acid is going to smoothen your skin. This actually smoothened my skin and improved my texture. Okay, one thing you shouldn't do about this is that when you're applying it, don't apply it on these areas on your face. Okay, so one thing I noticed about this particular serum is that don't apply it on these T-zones of your face. It's going to actually hurt your face. It's going to sting your face. You have no business over there because there's no pimple there. Yeah, you don't have pimple there, you don't have dark spots there. So try avoid applying azelaic acid on your T-zones. Okay, so you can just target the areas you have your dark spot. Like me, when I'm applying it, I'm going over like this because I have some dark spots here, and I have hyperpigmentation on these areas of my face. Let it sit for like a minute or two, and apply your moisturizer. Fill it up with the sunscreen. It works better when protected from the sun. Okay, so this can be used in the morning. You can use it in your morning routine after you have actually added it to your routine. Okay, so me, when I started, like I said earlier, I added it to my night routine. That's how I introduce new products to my routine. I start eating it in the night. Then when my skin is comfortable with it, I can now use it. If it's a product I can use morning and night, I start using it in the morning time and at night. If it's a product I can only use. So my nighttime, I'm already on the retinoid, so I don't use this. Okay. At night, I prefer using this in the morning. But azelaic acid can actually work with tretinoin. Okay, if you have your tretinoin, you can still use azelaic acid. Yeah, your azelaic acid go in first, let it sit, add your tretinoin, and heavy on your moisturizer. Heavy on moisturizer. Okay, so you can actually use this in the morning time or at night time, but like once in a day, not morning and night. Is that you choose to use it in the morning or at night? Okay, yeah. So for beginner, if you are new to azelaic acid or you want to add it to your routine, don't use it every single day. Start with 2 times in a day and at night. So when your skin is now familiar with it, you cannot be doing it every single day, but once a day. This is going to perfectly help to fight the bacteria causing acne on your face. Okay, yeah, acne causing bacteria in your skin pores is gonna go inside there and fight them so that you don't have recurring dark spots or recurring acne. So have this in your routine. The other good azelaic acid, this is actually on the drugstore side. This is very affordable, guys. Very, very affordable. I got this for 6,000 naira. Yeah. Yeah, I got this for 6,000 naira. Retailed for 6,000 naira. That's what I got it. But there are more expensive azelaic acid there. There is a 20% azelaic acid, but this is like 10% azelaic acid. You can just choose for any azelaic acid. It must not necessarily be from this, but if you are watching this video because you want to know my honest review on the Skeenpoint, this is a 10 over 10 for me. Yeah, it really worked for me. Improved my texture, tightened my pores, brightened my face, and cleared my dark spots. Okay, azelaic acid works where when your skin is protected. So always wear your sunscreen while on azelaic acid and moisturize. Okay, maybe on moisturize your skin, and that is it. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. This is my honest review on the Skeenpoint 10% azelaic acid. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, like this video, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.